This is a new machine. It generates oxygen, and one good thing about this machine is that you don't need any oxygen supply. It takes it from the this is the name of the machine, and it takes oxygen from the atmosphere, converts it, and then gives it to my dad. He has been having breathing problems for some time, and this is a nebulizer that we use. So this machine really helps because we've paid our rent on this. We didn't buy it, and so these are the kind of parameters that you have to keep in check. And this water just shows you that if you see the bubbling, that oxygen is being generated and given to the person who is using it. In this case, it's my dad. So this machine is very, very good, and instead of going and getting a person admitted to a hospital, I feel a person being at home and using this machine is much more beneficial, because my husband went through COVID and it really he didn't get admitted. So in the house itself, we gave more of Ayurvedic medicines, and the only thing he took was a acidity regulator, and he got well. So instead of desperately trying for getting admitted into a hospital, I think initially, if the patient is stable and can be looked after at home, that is the best thing, because once you go into a hospital, you're getting in at least 5 germs, picking up five new germs over there. So best is to be at home if you have somebody to help and take care, or you can even hire a night nurse and a day nurse and give care in the house, because it will be more cost effective and better. Papa, hello, Varena.
Hello.
Thank you. So that was my dad saying hello, and we monitor his pulse and his oxygen levels, and we come to know what is the level of oxygen and what is the level of what is his pulse rate. So we keep a tab, and then at home itself we provide the care. So this becomes very convenient both for the patient and for the people looking after him, because what happens is you have some amount of control, and then the patient is more comfortable. So I would recommend not rushing off to a hospital. Being at home, and palliative care is always better at home. So this is my tip, and this is my suggestion. This is run by an agency in India. They provide this Everflow, and it's one of the most wonderful inventions I've seen, because we bought one tube of oxygen. It costs 4,500, and that is very expensive. It would not even have lasted for 10 or 15 minutes. But with this machine, you can give oxygen the whole day and night. Of course, it is connected to you need electricity, and you need an inverter, because otherwise if electricity goes off, then this will be a problem. Otherwise this machine is very good. I would recommend it, and it is very, very convenient. So I'm giving you the back view also. There's nothing much. It's all inside, and it's very, very safe, child safe also, in case you have small children in the house. So this is my recommendation for the trying times that all of us are facing. Especially yesterday I saw a video about a person being really desperate for a hospital room and oxygen connection. So you have this. The rent for this is 15,000 for a month, but otherwise it is perfectly fine, and you save on hospital bills also. So this is my recommendation. Please do try it. Thank you.